As you can see, the price of gold increased from 2005 to 2015. The question is, by what percent did it increase? So we first need to figure out how much it increased by. So we're going to do 1,060 minus 513, and that gives you $547. That's the amount of the increase that it actually went up. So to figure out the percent, we need to take the part, which is the increase, and divide it by the original amount, which is the 513. So we do 547 divided by 513, and you end up with 1.06627, and then there's some more numbers after that. So what we need to do is multiply this number by 100 times 100. That's the same as moving the decimal point over 2 places. So it comes out to be 106.627%, about, because there's some numbers after that. Now this question says round to the nearest percent. So the question is it going to be 106% or 107%? We have to look over here. That number is a 6. Between 5 and 9, that the 106 goes up to 107. So it's actually 107%, and that is your answer. Just type in the 107, though, on assessments.